Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I'm sure abantu abaningi bayibonile ke indaba namhlanje eziphumile. Indaba eziphumile namhlanje regarding isquad Bafana esibiziwe abafana ke bayodlala with iPanama ama-friendlies awu2. Abadlali ke ababiziwe balungisela kuyodlala iWorld Cup. Abantu abaningi banembuzo for Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros each and every time ezokhipha isquad abadlali esiyodlala for iBafana kuhlale kuzoba khona imibuzo. Namhlanje ke abajida ababiziwe bafethu ngizongichazela njengabadlali ababiziwe namhlanje mase ngiyalibeka kuvo lwami ngokubona kwami obekumele bahambe bafethu bebiziwe because nyamazi Hugo Bros uhlezi nama surprises even isidingo singekho. Ngizoqala nje goalkeeper ababizile namhlanje bafethu ubize bani uRonan Williams, wabiza uRicardo Goss, wasezobiza bani futhi na uRonaldo Liyena. Abadlali ke laba bafethu abathathu abazovimbela iBafana umjida weSikukhune, umjida weSiwelele mase kuba umjida weMamelodi Sundowns. Kunomdlali ke la angambizanga okumdlali weOrlando Pirates okubani na okuSipho Chain. Abantu abaningi bayibuza guys, why uSipho Chain engabizwanga? Remember uSipho Chain is one of the best goalkeepers akhona kule season. Yabo goalkeeper nje abenza kahle kakhulu kule season uSipho Chain Peterson loWekaizer Chiefs. Kodwa ke abekho kule list yo goalkeeper ababiziwe beyo represent Bafana. Remember Siwelele sile ezansi same as iSikukhune United. Yabo iSikukhune ke singcono sona sila eduze. Kodwa ke nje bafethu uSipho Chain akabizwanga. Remember uHugo Bros wayekhona because Orlando Pirates idlala against iRichards Bay. Ingaba wabona ibehavior yaSipho Chain towards the fans asazi. Mase kuthi kuma defenders abiziwe, kuma defenders kubizwa uKhulisa Modawu, kwabizwa uThabang Matuludi, kwabizwa uNkosinathi Sibisi, kwabizwa uAubrey Modiba, kwasibizwa uKhulumani Ndamani, Ime Okon, kwabizwa uSamkelo Kabini, kwabizwa noMbekezeli Mbukazi. Yabo Khulisa Modawu weMamelodi Sundowns, Sibisi Orlando Pirates, Matuludi weCity, mase kuba uModiba. Yabo imost abadlali ababiziwe kule defense abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns. I-defense iqinile nyayibona bafethu. Ime Okon kuyangijabulisa ukumbona umjida ibiziwe udlala le eGermany. Mase kuthi ke kuma forwards abiziwe bafethu nakhona kune issue la bafethu. Kune issue ekhona nala. Kuma forwards osuna police Tsepang Moremo khona futhi kuma forwards Evidence Makgopa siyambona bafethu, Lyle Foster striker bafethu sikhona bonke kuhle hlongwane. Kuyangijabulisa ukumbona umjida kade ngagcina ukumbona ubiziwe naye bafethu. Urelebukhile Mfukeng ubiziwe, Mshishi Thembazwane ukhona bafethu umjida ubiziwe naye after a long injury ade singamboni nje kuyaFCON ade engekho. Wabizwa nawo uTsapelo Maseko bafethu umjida naye ubiziwe ukhona kuBafana umjida kade sagcina ukumbona kuBafana. The last time we saw uTsapelo Maseko playing for iBafana it was that AFCON ngo2024. Umjida ke bafethu ulitholile ithuba lokuthi adlale ngosikhathi bemlonile le eCyprus ubiziwe kumjida. Kuthi kuma midfielders Tebogo Mokoena bafethu khona, Jaden Adams ubiziwe nabafethu, Talent Mbatha ubiziwe, Siphelo Sithole nayo ubiziwe. So iwona ke ama midfielders akhona lawa awu4 iBafana ezogadla ngawo. Ungangitshela wena ngokwakho kulabadlali ababiziwe ukuthi ubani obufisa abe khona because ngizokukhombisa nje ilist yabadlali abangabizwanga. Wazi ubheke nje ilist yabadlali bafethu abawu15 abashawe nje ngezembe. Sipho Chain ngizoqala ngaye bafethu, umjida ngokwami ubedeserve ukuba khona kule list ke, but ke ucoach it seems like ngokwakhe kunezinto ayezwile mhlambe nezinto angayithandanga regarding ugoalkeeper singesazi. Ungangitshela wona ngokwakho. Patrick Tito Maswangayo umjida kabizwanga. It's a pity ukuthi umjida kabizwanga. Umjida udlala kahle currently. Yanela Mbuthuma not a shocker de. Kamogelo Sibelebele umjida kabizwanga. Asazi nakhona Van Rooyen umjida kabizwanga. Tsapelo Morena weSundowns na kabizwanga. Ikram Reyners uReyners bafethu kabizwanga. uReyners weSundowns lo shisa ngempela akabizwanga. Mahawunkota angithuka kakhulu kuNkota because akayithola igame time currently with i-team ayidlalelayo le. But guys, Mahawunkota, you need a Mahawunkota in your team. Darren Johnson noMazulu abizwanga umjida. Olwethu Makhanya bengitsho ukuthi umjida ozogcina selitholile ithuba but ke akabizwanga. Vuyo Lotlapa, a very good player playing for iSikukhune akabizwanga. Tylon Smith, I'm not really surprised regarding uTylon Smith uthi angabizwa. Ndamulelo Maphongole umjida naye akabizwanga. Mthiyane umjida weStiliza akabizwanga. Luke Loru naye umjida akabizwanga. So ngokwakho na kule list le, mina ngokwami I think kule list le bafethu Ikram Reyners uyadeserve ukuba khona mase kubobani uSipho Chain. If uHugo Bros angazi noma mhlawumbe umina yini, but if you remember our last AFCON our last AFCON besingascore kakhulu yabo besingascore kakhulu. Our only striker okubani okuLyle Foster isona striker bezizama futhi ukukora mase kushintshwa besingawatholi amathuba ukuthi score kakhulu. So a player like Ikram Reyners namanje akaka click ekhanda ukuthi why Ikram Reyners engabizwa, why Ikram Reyners bafethe engabizwa. Most abadlali ababiziwe kuBafana currently abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns. Njengoba kubadlali nje beMamelodi Sundowns bayamazi ukumphakela, bayakwazi ukuthi uphakelwa kanjani uIkram Reyners. Njengoba bayazi nje ukuthi uphakelwa kanjani. We need players abazokwazi bafide ibhola kuIkram Reyners. Guys, indaba yaSipho Chain ngiyakhala kakhulu ngoSipho Chain. Ngiyakhala nje kakhulu ngoSipho Chain, but ke it goes back to behavior yakhe umjita towards the fans, as I stated earlier on, about the way you treat yourself towards the fans. There are coaches, there are people who are watching izinto ozenzayo, and izinto ozenzayo zingakwazi ukuthi zibulalela ama relationships with the top people abakhona ebholeni. Yabo ezinye zezinto mfethu kumele sikwazi sizenze kahle, but ke Hugo Bros uthe akafuna ukukhomenta kakhulu kubadlala ngababizanga. Yabo siyamazi Hugo Bros uyathanda ukwenza izinto ngendlela yakhe. Yabo you cannot tell me ukuthi uSipho Chain akabizwanga just because akadlali kahle. You cannot say that. Yabo there are some other factors akhona. You cannot tell me ukuthi Ronaldo Liena is better than uSipho Chain even le season le. You cannot tell me even Ronan Williams, you cannot tell me Ronan Williams is better than Usipho Chain le season le. Yabo guys, we need to be honest. Maybe some people may be blinded by the fact that Orlando Pirates haven't been doing well yabo lately. Mhlamba abantu bangablindwa yilokho, but ke mwasubheke sibe no draw nje kuphela ku Cold 10 esiyesaba nalo. We have been doing very good, getting 3 points, beating teams left and right. Yabo the last loss esibe nayo it was against the Mamelodi Sundowns kuphela nje, but ke we have been doing very good. Yabo so you cannot tell me ukuthi the reason why umjita engabizwa ngoba kadlali kahle. There are some other factors. You cannot tell me ukuthi uGosi ubiziwe because udlale against Orlando Pirates kahle. Guys, let's not say that. Yabo Ikram Reyners, another player engikhala kakhulu ngaye. Ikram Reyners is supposed to be there in the squad Bafana. Why are we not taking Ikram Reyners? Why are we not taking Ikram Reyners? Siyakhala ngamagoli kwiPirates. Njengoba sikhala ngamagoli kwiPirates, sicomparation istrikers zethu nezeSundowns. Sithi istrikers zeSundowns ziyakora kakhulu. Ikram Reyners benoLeon bayakora kakhulu. Uthi Hugo Bros awubambi la mfana wami. Nangu uMakgopa mina ngiyamthanda, sihamba naye le siya ku World Cup. Uhamba noMakgopa manje Hugo Bros. Ngeke ngayicabanga futhi lento le. Ngasho ukuthi Hugo Bros uzomlanda uMakgopa. Thina nje sikhala ngaye kwePirates, but Hugo Bros uzomlanda. Khanjwa naye uMakgopa manje. But ke wona ngokwakho ngangitshela some of the decisions ashawo coach namhlanje imapho owathandile imapho ongawathandile.